Is Nikon about to raise the bar in the mid-range mirrorless market? The buzz around the Nikon Z5 Mark II suggests it might. With a blend of rumored features, potential upgrades, and Nikon's trademark craftsmanship, the Z5 Mark II is shaping up to be a game changer. Let's dive into everything we know so far about this highly anticipated camera. The Nikon Z5 earned its reputation as a dependable, full-frame mirrorless camera that offered excellent value for enthusiasts. Now, the Z5 Mark II is poised to build on that legacy, targeting photographers and videographers who crave high-quality performance without breaking the bank. From what we've heard, the Z5 Mark II will stick to Nikon's tried-and-true design ethos. Expect a robust magnesium alloy frame, durable yet lightweight. Nikon might refine the ergonomics even further, with a more comfortable grip and better button placement for seamless handling during those long shooting sessions. A standout rumor? A 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD. This feature isn't just about convenience, it's about enabling creativity. Overhead shots, low angles, or anything in between, the touchscreen makes composing those tricky shots a breeze. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Z5 Mark II is rumored to pack a 24.5 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Why does this matter? A backside illuminated sensor excels in capturing light, meaning better performance in low-light conditions. Pair that with the powerful Expeed 7 image processor, and you're looking at faster image processing, improved energy efficiency, and better autofocus tracking. This combo could be a game changer for both photographers and videographers. Autofocus? Rumors suggest a 273-point hybrid system with advanced eye and an animal detection. Whether you're capturing a fleeting wildlife moment or a fast-moving subject, this system could make focusing faster and more accurate. And let's not forget the 5-axis in-body image stabilization. This is Nikon's secret weapon for reducing camera shake, ensuring sharper images, even in challenging conditions. Videographers, the Z5 Mark II has something for you too. 4K recording at 30 FPS is on the table, along with Full HD at a buttery smooth 120 FPS for slow motion creativity. But there's a catch, a rumored 1.5x crop when shooting 4K at 60 FPS. Still, this camera seems ready to handle everything from cinematic footage to vlogging. In today's world, connectivity is key. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth could make sharing your work effortless, while dual UHS 2 SD card slots give you storage flexibility. And with USB-C charging, you can power up on the go, perfect for travel or long shoots. So when can we expect the Z5 Mark II? Initial leaks suggested a release soon after the Z50 Mark II, but it looks like Nikon has pushed the timeline to summer 2025. This staggered launch could help Nikon dominate the mid-range mirrorless market, competing head-on with Canon's EOS RP and Sony's A7C. The Z5 Mark II will be compatible with Nikon's growing lineup of Z-mount lenses. And for those transitioning from DSLRs, the FTZ adapter ensures you can keep using your favorite F-mount lenses. Versatility? Check. While these specs are still rumors, the Nikon Z5 Mark II is shaping up to be a serious contender. Whether you're an enthusiast or a budding professional, this camera could strike the perfect balance between performance and affordability. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Nikon cameras and exploring some juicy new leaks about the highly anticipated Nikon Z7 Mark III. Although Nikon hasn't made an official announcement yet, the buzz in the photography community is hard to ignore. So what can we expect from this next-gen powerhouse? Let's break it all down. Historically, Nikon has released its Z6 and Z7 models either simultaneously or in quick succession. With the recent launch of the Nikon Z6 Mark III, it's only natural to wonder when the Z7 Mark III will make its debut. Based on Nikon's trends and the current technological landscape, it's safe to say we won't have to wait too long. Let's talk about the heart of any camera, the sensor. The Nikon Z7 Mark III is expected to retain the same 45.7 megapixel resolution as the Z7 Mark II. At first glance, you might think, that's not much of an upgrade. But there's more to it than meets the eye. The Z7 Mark III is rumored to feature a partially stacked sensor, a technological leap that significantly improves readout speeds. This means faster performance, reduced rolling shutter effects, and enhanced capabilities for capturing fast-moving subjects. For action and wildlife photographers, this is huge. Now here's where it gets interesting. Despite sharing the same 45.7 megapixel resolution as Nikon's flagship Z8 and Z9 models, the Z7 Mark III will likely lack some of their premium features. For example, the Z8's Pixel Shift multi-shot mode, which can create stunning 180 megapixel images, is expected to remain exclusive to the higher-tier models. This helps Nikon preserve the appeal of its flagship lineup while ensuring the Z7 Mark III carves out its own niche. Videographers, listen up. While the Z7 Mark III sensor technically supports 8K recording, rumors suggest Nikon is focusing on delivering top-tier 6K video capabilities instead. This move strikes a balance between resolution and practicality. For most creators, 6K is more than enough, offering excellent detail without the massive storage or processing demands of 8K footage. This positions the Z7 Mark III as an ideal hybrid camera for those who shoot both stills and video. One of the most exciting potential upgrades in the Z7 Mark III is its in-body image stabilization. Reports suggest Nikon could improve stabilization from 5 stops in the Z7 Mark II to an impressive 8 stops in the Mark III. If true, this would be a game changer for handheld photography and videography. Imagine shooting sharp images in low light or capturing buttery smooth video footage, all without a tripod. And if Nikon includes the Focus Point VR system from the Z8, we're talking next-level stabilization that could revolutionize handheld shooting. The Nikon Z7 Mark III seems poised to cater to advanced enthusiasts and professionals who want exceptional image quality without stepping into flagship territory. Its combination of high resolution, improved performance, and potentially upgraded stabilization makes it an attractive option for a wide range of photographers. So, is the Nikon Z7 Mark III shaping up to be a game changer? Absolutely. It may not have every feature of the Z8 or Z9, but it offers meaningful upgrades that could make it a go-to camera for many creatives. Nikon's focus on refinement over revolution ensures that the Z7 Mark III will have a clear identity within the lineup. The Z7 Mark III promises to be versatile, reliable, and performance-driven, everything we'd expect from Nikon. But as always, these are still rumors, so take them with a grain of salt. We'll have to wait for Nikon's official announcement to see how it all pans out. That's all for today, folks. What are your thoughts on the rumored Nikon Z7 Mark III? Are these features enough to get you excited? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and reviews.